Have you ever wondered why so many businesses rely on Google Ads? From small local shops to huge brands. Today I break down why businesses are using Google Ads. And I do that in a very simple way that even beginners understand.
Hi, I'm Jasmin and I help beginners learn Google Ads in a simple and practical way. If you want easy explanations without complicated terms, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
So first of all, I want to give you a short overview about the main benefits of Google Ads. So Google is the biggest search engine in the world. 80% of the customers research online before they buy. And Google Ads makes a business visible the exact moment someone is actively searching for something relevant to the business. Google Ads is the perfect tool to reach business goals. Businesses can increase their sales for their products or services by using Google Ads. They can as well accelerate their website traffic because they get targeted traffic via Google Ads on their website. As well, they can improve brand awareness by publishing interesting and relevant ads. What do businesses usually advertise with Google Ads? Businesses can advertise their products or services. For example, an online shop can advertise shoes. As well, businesses use Google Ads to advertise their digital products, for example, an online course. Or they use Google Ads to build their email list and offering their freebies or lead magnets. Another way is to use Google Ads to get signups for webinars or for workshops. And there is so many other possibilities. Now I'm going to tell you 8 key reasons why businesses use Google Ads. Reason number 1, high intent. People search when they need something. So when someone types something into Google, they're actively looking for a solution. For example, someone types in emergency plumber near me or best fitness coach online. This is intent. People aren't just scrolling. They want help right now. So businesses use Google Ads because they can appear exactly when a customer is ready to buy. Reason number 2 is the precise targeting. Businesses love Google Ads because they can choose exactly who sees the ads and where and when the ads appear. They can choose what keywords trigger them and what devices and for which locations they appear. For example, a business can say, only show my ads in Germany or only show my ads from Monday to Friday. And this level of control is impossible on most other platforms. Reason number 3 is the full budget control. The businesses can set daily budgets and can change the budgets according to preferences anytime. As well, Google Ads is using the pay-per-click system. So the businesses don't pay for showing the ad, they only pay when someone clicks on the ad. And this makes Google Ads one of the most efficient advertising channels for beginners. As an example, your ad shows 500 times. You don't have any cost. But from those 500 times, 100 people are clicking on the ad. So you pay for these 100 clicks only. Reason number 4 is the fast results. So when you do SEO, like search engine optimization, you wait for organic reach. That can be powerful, but it will take months. But for Google Ads, the businesses can run their first ad today and get clicks within hours. So for beginners or small businesses, fast feedback is gold. Reason number 5 is the measurable data. Google Ads give businesses the full visibility. They can see how many people saw their ad, how many clicked, which keyword performed the best, and how much each click costs. They can as well see which ads led to conversions and how much revenue each keyword generated. So the businesses are using Google Ads because they can see exactly what is working and what is not working. So it's no guessing or no hoping, it's just clear data. So reason number 6, it works for any business size. Google Ads is not just for big companies, it's flexible enough for beginners, small local businesses, freelancers, online coaches. service providers, e-commerce stores, and large brands. So businesses can start small, test small, and scale up only when it works. Reason number 7, small businesses can compete with big brands. Even if you're a brand new business, your ad can appear above major brands if your targeting and your quality score is good. So this is one of the biggest reasons businesses using it. The businesses don't need a huge brand to win, they actually just need a good setup. Reason number 8 is the huge reach. The ads can reach people everywhere. So Google Ads just doesn't show ads only on Google Search. The ads can appear as well on YouTube, in Gmail, in Google Maps, or on other partner networks. And this creates a massive reach, even for small budgets. Yeah, there is many more reasons why businesses use Google Ads, but I hope you understand now how important it is to use Google Ads. If you don't use Google Ads, you miss immediate, highly targeted visibility to users actively searching for your products or services. So what are you waiting for? If this video helped you to understand why businesses are using Google Ads, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. I always give you clear and easy explanations.